How to fix Acer laptop keyboard not working.
Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to fix Acer keyboard. If it's not working, to fix this issue you need to go to this icon at the bottom and click it with your mouse. Easy access make your computer easier to use. So when you click here, you will see on-screen keyboard. Just click that. When you click that, you will get a virtual keyboard. To enter your password, just click here and enter with your password here. So this way you will be able to log into your screen. Once you are in, you have to click on Start menu and click on Settings button. When you click on Settings button, you have to go to same option, Easy Access. Just click there, and once you are in there, you need to scroll down and find your keyboard. Here is your keyboard option. And from here again, you can access your on-screen keyboard. Just click here. Then you will get your on-screen keyboard. Once you have your on-screen keyboard, you will be able to go and update your drivers for your keyboard. For that, you need to go to Run and write Device Manager. When you write Device Manager, you will see Device Manager here. Just click there, and your Device Manager will be opened. Once you have Device Manager on, you will have a keyboard option. Click on Keyboard option. Right-click and select Update Driver. There you will get to Options, Browse for Computer or Automatically Search. First, we will do Browse from Computer and go. Let me pick up the driver. Just select there and select this P to Keyboard. Standard, do Next and Close. Once you do that, you'll get a prompt like this. Do you want to restart your computer? Just restart your computer, and your keyboard will work fine. If it does not work fine, I'll not restart my computer. If this thing does not work, just go again, do same process. Go again and press Update Brother. This time search automatically for this option. Your computer need to be connected to internet with the wire or wireless internet connection. So once you do that, it will search automatically and update your driver. And again, it will ask you to restart your computer.
Second solution.
For this, when your PC restart, again activate your keyboard and type here, Task Manager. Task Manager. This time Task Manager and open it. You will see the Task Manager like this and go on more details. Here you will see this option, Cortana, and you need to end task it. When you click on Cortana and end task, and then you can go and try if your keyboard is working or not.
Third solution.
Next fix, you need to go to search and type Run. And in Run, you need to type this command with colons. So I'll leave this command in description. So you can copy and paste it and press OK. Once you do it, your keyboard will start working. If doesn't work, I have another one.
Fourth solution.
Okay, for this you need to again activate your keyboard. Virtual keyboard. Go in Start Settings and activate your keyboard. Now you have to go and update securities. And go in Troubleshoot. From here, go in Keyboards and run Troubleshoot. Once you do that, system will automatically troubleshoot if there is some issue with your keyboard going on, so it will fix it.
Fifth solution.
Go here, start setting Easy Access keyboard. And on-screen keyboard. That's where your keyboard will come up. Type Task T. SKSCST. This will bring up Task Scheduler. Just open it. And in here you have to go to Microsoft Window. Then click on T here. So you'll let me make it full size. Click on T here. And you need to go in this text service frame and here. Once you are in text services framework, you just need to run it. Press run once. And you need to close it and restart your PC. And this will fix the issue of your keyboard.
6th solution.
Going Start Settings and Update. Update and Security. Now this time go to Recovery. We will recover the old Windows. Just go in Recovery and just Recover Get Started and Keep My Files. This will not it this way. Your Windows setting will be changed, but all your files will remain as it is. So once you do that, it will recover all the original settings of your window, and your keyboard should work fine. Follow the steps and do reset. In this case, I will not do it because my window keyboard is working fine now. So just do that and this will help you out. If guys this helps you out, please do like and subscribe my channel. That helps me a lot. Thank you Ka3R. Thank you for watching my video.